right, so we're here in Vermont. It's snowing, it's winter, and that means it's time to store your bagged car. Maybe you want to keep the salt off it, the road grime off it, or you want to keep it out of the way of the geniuses that think all seasons are just fine for the winter. So we're going to go into the shop, show you guys a few things to do to prepare your car for storage in the winter.
Let's go. There's a few things to consider when storing any bagged car in the winter.
We're going to go over the height at which you store your car, as well as a couple of different things you do to prepare your management for long-term storage in the winter. We've got a blanket solution that covers everything from storing your car in a storage unit all the way to doing it somewhere in like a driveway or a parking lot.
We're going to show you how. Taylor, what happens if my air system leaks?
Glad you asked, Wilson. If you guys have a leak-free setup, your best bet is to just store your car at ride height and forget about it. Otherwise, you can grab some jack stands and throw the car up on those.
Or, if you're cheap like me, you just put wood under it.
Either of these options work great, so just pick the one that works the best for your situation.
Once you have your car stored safely, you're going to want to winterize your air management system. Step 1 is disconnecting the battery.
Like so. You might want to hook your battery up to a tender or a trickle charger, but make sure it's the right one. You don't want to ruin your battery, and we're not battery riders.
Once you've taken care of your battery, you're going to want to move on to the air management system.
Any properly installed air management system is going to have an easy to access water trap. So the next thing you're going to want to do is drain any water out of that. This one seems pretty dry, so we're going to move on to the tank. Tank also kind of captures some water, so you're going to want to drain out all the air and any liquid inside of the tank. Best way to do that is to use the safety valve. Done. Now that you've taken care of your management, that's it. It's time to start saving for your next air ride upgrade. Make sure you visit us at bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop.